Hey y'all, it's Simone here with another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this hair from Arabella hair. Get into it real quick, get into it. Okay, this is 24 inches. So if y'all want to see how I got this hair laid and slayed just like this, keep watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So everything you're going to need for this is obviously your wig. You're going to need bleach and developer. I have this brand right here, the Claro Professional Basic White Extra Strength, and then I have 40 volume developer. I use this one, because it's a little stronger and it works faster. And then you're gonna need shampoo to tone your bleach knot so it doesn't look so brassy. This is optional if you want to condition your hair after washing it. You don't have to do that. And then I use a little bit of water when I'm trying to pluck the knots. And then here I have some lace tint in the color golden, tweezers to pluck, and then mousse for styling, a hot comb for styling, and then this for when I'm going to actually start straightening the hair and part it out the way. So that's everything you need. Okay, let me put y'all on game real quick, okay? So when it comes to this part, this is important. Make sure that you do not make your bleach too thin, because if you make it too thin and runny, it's gonna run right through your lace and then get all on your roots, and it's gonna be giving a hot mess. So make sure that you make your bleach consistency thicker so that it sits on the lace and does not run through the lace. And that's why you see me kind of adding liquid as I go, because I rather make it too thick and then add liquid to make it more thinner. But for the most part, it should be thick enough so it's not running through your lace and it just sits on top of your lace. The goal here is just bleaching the knots, not the roots. This is how it turned out after I bleached the knots. It looks good, but there's a little bit of brassiness. So I'm going to take my purple shampoo, my shimmering light shampoo, and tone my knots. So y'all, I bleached it last night, and then I toned it with the shampoo. And I also let the hair condition for a long time, and then I let it dry overnight. And this is what the lace is looking like y'all. I think this looks so good. And I don't think it looks too brassy at all. You can't really see the knots, so it's looking like scalp. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. So y'all, the hair is very, very, very soft and silky. Very bouncy, and it's just so smooth and soft. Like, it's so smooth and soft, and it smells good. After I washed and conditioned it, bleached knots, washed and conditioned it, and it's really, really soft, really silky, and it just feels like really good quality hair. And then this is the length of it now. It's starting to look like 24 inches. Yeah, it looks longer than it did when it came in its first curl pattern, but once I actually washed it and conditioned it, it looks a lot longer. So what I'm doing now is just parting my baby hairs out the way so I can get ready to hot comb the hair back and then start plucking it. I'm just parting baby hairs so I know where I want my baby hairs to be at and how much I want to have.
next part right here is something I actually learned from Arrogant Tay. He puts like a white towel or a white paper towel under his lace so you can see his lace better. He can see his knots better and see like what needs plucking and what doesn't need plucking, and to kind of help make sure that you don't over pluck your lace. The best way that I've learned how to pluck is to pluck a line and then skip a line, pluck a line, skip a line, and that's actually the way that Tay does it as well. And I think that gives the best results when you pluck one line and then you skip over to the next one. I think that gives the most natural hairline because it mimics like how a real hairline would be.
And that looks drastically like different to me. I can definitely tell that's been plucked compared to this right here. Then you come over here.
Y'all, and at this point I'm looking at my wig like this wig look bomb already. Like look at that, look at the hairline, look at the part, look how it's laying down from the hot comb. I said, girl, this install finna be bomb. I can already tell, period.
So I'm gonna pluck the hairline one more time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the baby hairs and pluck the baby hairs.
Now I'm about to put on my wig cap and get my wig cap laid, and to do this I'm going to be using some Got to Be Glued freeze spray. That is my go-to, y'all. So I'm just going to spray my wig cap all over, get it real good, y'all. Don't miss no spot, spray it good. And then once you get that spray really good, then I take my blow dryer and I just blow dry it. And then once it's blow dry, you can just get to cutting it and cut the ear tabs, both ear tabs, and then cut the lace and cut all around it, y'all. It's simple. So now I'm just going in with my makeup sponge and dabbing some of my makeup all over my wig cap. And that actually matched pretty well. So just make sure that you get it good and that it matches so your lace blends in with your face. So now that we got the wig cap secured and glued down, looking like
a bald head man, we are going to go ahead and spray our wig with lace tint. This is the lace tint I'm using. Lace tint mini in the color golden. The brand is Wig Tensions. I think that's how you say it, Wig Tensions. So I'll go ahead and spray this on, and I'm doing this before I put any glue on my wig cap because it sprays like really wet, so I want to give it time to dry before I actually put it on. So just do it like this. Oh yeah, I definitely don't think that's too dark. That's actually like perfect, guys. It actually looks like literally my scalp. Bomb, period. Okay, so oh my god, that looks so good already. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the glue. I'm not gonna use actual lace glue because first of all, I don't usually even wear frontals. I usually stick to closure wigs for the sole reason that frontals do kind of pull your edges out. Frontals do kind of pull your edges out if you don't take care of them properly. I'm not saying they always do. If I put this frontal on, I'm going to make sure I take very good care of my hair. So I'm going to use got2b glue gel instead of using lace glue because for one, I don't want to have this frontal on for a long period of time anyways. So I'm just going to go in with some got2b glue gel that's a little more gentle, and I don't have to keep it on as long. So I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer on low heat and then on cool, and then let this dry until it gets tacky, and then I'm gonna pull my wig over and place my wig down. It's right here. I think there's a little bit of over bleaching right there, but I can fix that very easily. So let me get my spray. All right, so this is what I'm gonna use to fix that. High Beams root cover up. That's what I was trying to say. This is root cover up. And I got the color black because I mean, this basically it could be black hair. You won't notice. So shake that up. And then I like put my comb on my part so I don't mess up the part, right there. And I spray this. Not too close. Boom bow, that's how you fix that. That's how you fix that. Okay, and that's all I need to do. I don't need to do too much. Let me see, hold on. That's good enough for now. I'll fix it later if it needs more fixing. So far, y'all, we looking real good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair and I'll be right back. So I'm done straightening the hair. What I am gonna do is kind of trim the ends so that they're like all even. I mean, for the most part they are, but I kind of want it to be a little more even across, so I might like trim it like right there towards the end. But right now I'm gonna remove this because the lace is very dry. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to cut my baby hair. So I'm gonna push my lace back, hot comb it back. Ooh, it's hot. Yeah, this hot comb is very hot right now. now I'm gonna go in and start cutting my baby hairs. I like dramatic baby hairs, so I'm not gonna do them too short, but I'm not gonna do them too long to the point where it's like OD. When you cut your lace, don't make a rookie mistake and cut it straight across and have a hairline looking like a dude. You gotta cut it like this so it looks more natural. Cut it so it's like raggedy, like jagged, so it looks more natural, you know, like a real scalp. Even though the plucking already helps it to look more natural, you still need to pluck it so that it's like, you know, it looks more natural. Y'all, we almost done. We getting there. That lace tip that I use matches really good. It looks good. It's giving scalp. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut these baby hairs. So now that everything's curled, I'm gonna go in and start laying my edges with my Nairobi foam. It looks really cute already, right y'all? See? You see? That's why I curl them. It look good, don't it? Yup. Y'all, that's so cute. Honestly, I would leave it like that. Like, I love the trend where people are curling their edges because it just looks so like cute and natural to me. But I'm gonna lay them down a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with my Nairobi foam. Just put barely, like just a little bit. Since it's already curled, you don't need to do too much, like, you know, product and laying down, because then it starts to look tacky and like white and unnatural. So just a little bit, and then go in right there. And I just like to give it a nice little swoop. And I kind of like it to still curl up at the end, so I leave it like that.
And I know y'all probably noticed that I'm cutting the baby hairs again, but I cut them longer so that I wouldn't make them too short, and I can just go in and cut them shorter if they need to be shorter.
All right, y'all, and this is the final look. Let me tell y'all, I love this hair. Like, I love this hair for real. The lace looks so good. Don't play with Arabella hair, period. Don't play with them because his hair is bomb. Like, y'all, the length is like, I love the length. The texture is so soft and silky. Like, this is a frontal, y'all, and it's giving scalp. This look like my real hair, but it's not. So I definitely recommend getting this hair. Again, this is a 210 density body wave 13x6 frontal. What else am I forgetting? 13x6 body wave, 24-inch, 210 density. I have the link in my bio if y'all want to get this hair. This is not sponsored. This is just me reviewing this hair that I bought, and I'm gonna give this hair a 10 out of 10. I mean, look at it. Thank y'all for watching my YouTube video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm gonna upload more videos like this in the future, so make sure that y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like this video, save this video, and comment if y'all like this or if y'all have anything y'all want to say or ask me. And thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.